In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp using the Legacy Builder. If you're looking to create visually appealing emails where your text elegantly flows around an image, you've come to the right place. This guide focuses on using the Legacy Builder, which is a favorite for many because of its flexibility and classic drag-and-drop features. It's important to note that the newer builder in Mailchimp has certain limitations when it comes to text wrapping, so if you want more control over your email layout, sticking with the Legacy Builder is a good choice. We'll begin by discussing when this technique works best. Ideally, you should use either a text, boxed text, or footer content block. Additionally, when it comes to the size of your images, it's best to stick with relatively small ones, somewhere between 100 to 300 pixels wide. This ensures that your text wraps beautifully around the image without looking cluttered. Now let's dive into the steps. First, open your campaign and navigate to the Design Email section where you can edit the content. Once you're in the layout, you'll want to add a new text content block or select an existing one. This is where your image will go. So think about how you want your final email to look visually. Next, click on the specific spot in your text where you want the image to appear. This is an opportunity to make sure your image placement enhances the overall narrative of your email rather than disrupting it. Now, move to inserting the image. You'll do this via the Content Studio, from which you can either upload a new image or select one from your existing library. After you've inserted the image, it's time to adjust its settings. Within the image style or edit image options, there's an alignment setting. Choose either left or right alignment, depending on where you want your text to flow around the image. Selecting left will cause your text to wrap to the right and vice versa. This choice will drastically affect how your content is perceived. Once your image is aligned, consider adjusting the margins to create a pleasant visual separation between your text and the image. This ensures your content doesn't appear crammed or too tight, enhancing readability and aesthetics. Finally, make sure your email looks great across different devices and email clients by saving and previewing your design. Keep in mind that some platforms may handle text wrapping differently, so it's a good idea to review how your email appears on various screens to ensure consistency and clarity. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively wrap text around an image in Mailchimp using the Legacy Builder. This approach not only makes your emails more engaging, but also offers a professional touch to your design. Happy emailing!